This task will demonstrate how parts can be isolated or hidden in the editor. For example, the sliced portion will be selected and isolated in the editor. From the Edit menu, select Isolate Objects. As can be observed, only the selected part is displayed in the editor. To restore the display of the remaining parts, End Isolation is used. A part can also be hidden in the editor. By selecting the Hide Objects option, the selected object is hidden in the editor. When the view is changed, hidden objects are restored in alignment with the current view. By selecting End Isolation, the part is restored in alignment with the current view. An isolated part can be edited in the Selection Info palette. The part tree features can be used to modify a specific feature. The associated part is briefly shown when parts are updated. This prevents design conflict and maintains the integrity of the design. Change the blend width of this part here. As can be observed, the part is updated in context. When the Selection Info palette is closed, the isolated part is displayed. End Isolation restores the display of all parts in the editor.